Watch out, trim that hair down. Man, look, going with the grain. So quick.
Whole haircut, no plastic guards. Y'all stay tuned. Like this video, subscribe, comment, share this video. Because if y'all don't, y'all breath stink and y'all back long and y'all teeth dirty and y'all socks smell like mustard on a Tuesday. And I don't want y'all to miss this video because I think this is the one. So stay tuned, shorties. What's up, everybody? We back with another lit video. So I want y'all to stay tuned because we is finna get to it. And the first thing we are going to do to start off this whole transformation kind of haircut video, we just gonna comb everything down, just kind of get everything prepped. That is the first thing you do want to start off with when you do haircuts. Comb the haircut, comb the canvas, see what you got going. So we is going a zero guard with the grain, because you see right there the hair is balding at the top, like not bad, but it's balding a little bit. So what he wanted was the sides and everything to kind of blend in with that light spot on the top. So that's why I'm just getting a zero guard, and I'm going with the grain to remove bulk off the hair so everything could get even much as I want it. And this is the only time I do use plastic guards in my haircuts, is to take bulk down. And as you can see here, I'm going just lever close, and I'm just kind of hitting them sides of the haircut, not hitting the middle, because the middle already light. So as I'm hitting the hair with that zero guard, it's just going to blend in with that spot. So now with the middle spot, I'm going lever open with the one guard now, because that middle part is equivalent to the one guard. I already measured it. So as you can see here, just kind of getting all them scraggly hairs down. And now we're just finna start that ball line. I'm finna start the whole ball fade. And this is where I'm finna go crazy and show y'all the no plastic guard technique. So let's get to it and watch this freestyle blend. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is go lever halfway, like the second notch, the third notch actually, because I use lever open to do my whole blend. So I go lever halfway to blend into that ball easier, if that makes sense. But yeah, that's my second transition as I'm doing here. And I'm just going to the second notch now, and I'm just debulking that line until that line is blended into that ball line. And that's pretty much going to be it for that first transition. And I am able to show y'all the whole thing that I could do with the blend using the hair comb. And usually I'm recording one hand and actually cutting with the other, so I'm not able to show y'all the comb technique. And the comb is the only form of my guard, of my plastic guards. That is the only thing that I use to debulk length and just to debulk in general. Other than that, I blend straight with the clipper. And yeah, as you can see here, I blend with the comb as well. I just really just debulk, just get all that hair down, get it as smooth as I want it. So when I come lever open and use that flicking technique, everything will blend so much easy, because everything is down to that one desired length that I needed to. And everything about at that parietal ridge area is pretty much as dark as I want to keep it. I'm gonna do a little bit more detail work. And as you can see here, I'm lever open and I'm just flicking. I flick, I go to the line, I go above the line, I flick above it, but I don't flick flat. Like, I don't have the clipper flat to the skin, because that will create a whole different transition and push the fade way higher. So I have the blade at the tilt, as you can see here, the whole clipper at like a 45-degree angle maybe. And that's just giving the raking technique a little bit more, depth, and like scraping the hair as I'm flicking up, as you can see here. Like, I'm not digging, you see, tilt, flick, tilt, flick, tilt, flick. And that's pretty much through the whole haircut. And I just use my corners as well. Like, it might look like I'm using the whole blade, but sometimes I'll be using the corner 75% of the time. And I'll be lever open 70% of the time. But as you can see here, I'm lever playing just to kind of detail and get all them in between lines, to make sense with that blend. I'm fourth notch now, and I'm just kind of flicking, getting them lines under that transition that I just created. And I'm back lever open, and I'm just flicking, and look, I'm just in between them dark spots right there. I'm just touching it and not really like digging, freestyling. You gotta have an eye for this. Yeah, so yeah, man, the fade coming together. It's a little bit more detail we do gotta do, but other than that, that's pretty much like what I do to every single haircut in the world. So like, I don't care who you is, where you at, what you doing, you need a haircut, you will get this type of service, and it will be the best service in my opinion. So yeah, man, as you can see, I'm just really detailing a lot. Just trying to bring like that blend in a lot, bring it in together, make it look way more professional what it's looking now. I don't know, I'm picky about my haircuts. I like that blend to be damn near perfect, you know what I mean? Like, I know how to use plastic guards too. Like, if y'all want to see me do videos and do haircuts with plastic guards, let me know as well, because I've been cutting since I was a little boy. So that's what I taught myself to use when I'm self-taught cutting hair besides barber school. So like, I taught myself using guards. So once I got to barber school, I'm like, why not try something new and learn everything else about barbering? So I just took this path for freestyling. And as you can see here, we just finna clean the edge up, prep the edge up. The blend is looking beautiful. Now it's time to execute on this edge up and pretty much just get him out the chair looking pretty good, you know, and make him feeling happy. And this is the part where it's cleaning the skin, but it's also drying up the hair, so it could act like a holding spray, but you know, just naturally with the alcohol. And as you can see here, lever open, no guards, just going grazing over the hairline, so it could just lay down a little bit more flat. So when I come with these liners, it's just straight crispy Beamertons. So I start from the middle and I take my time. I look at it, I hit it. I don't hit too much of it because he don't use enhancements and he have light spots. So we're trying to keep everything original and as crispy as possible. As you can see, I'm just taking my time hitting that right side of the edge up. Not really taking too much off, you know, giving him a professional pushback. Just really tapping them baby vellus hairs that's on his head to make that line show. I'm not pushing it back to make it show. The crispier the lineup will be when you leave the most hair on the head. In my opinion, it will last the longest because it don't have nothing else for it to grow back crazy. Now, when you put somebody lining back and it looks ugly in the next 2-3 days, it's because it's all that hair trying to grow back, you know, trying to fight his way back up there. Like, hey, you cut me off, buddy. So as you can see here, you know, professional pushback, only taking off them little vellus baby hairs just to give it that crisp. Y'all let me know in the comment section though what y'all think about this haircut though so far, about the edge up process at least. Yeah, that thing nice. So we're gonna work with that left side and we're just gonna take our time and try to keep that line straight as possible. So I taught myself to pretty much just kind of start from the middle and work my way to one side because it's just more so comfortable for me to look. Now I could start from the left and just go all the way to the right side, you know, without starting in the middle. Like I could just do a haircut in many ways. So yeah, man, I'm working on that right side handlebar, and as you can see, I'm just really tapping and going, look, tapping and going, look, tapping and going, tapping and going, You can see a line a little bit. You know, he light skinned, you know, his hair not as dark, so it's not going to show as much, but in person it's a beautiful haircut. Taking my time with them boxes right there. You see the little box, nice, crispy, not too much. And as you can see, man, that haircut is beautiful, my peoples. Straight beautiful. Done with the edge up, crispy original. Now I'm doing the shear work on top just to get them scraggly hairs down and to, you know, make everything more even and more uniform. Worrying about me, I'm trying to really focus on them hairs right there. See, that I'm cutting right there, because those the hairs that hang over the lineup that might, you know, when he leave the chair, it might show. So yeah, man, let's get to it. Everybody like, comment, subscribe. Yes, sir. Oh yeah, and share this video, man. Stop playing. Yes, sir.